Where are you, little girl with broken wings but full of hope? Where are you, wise woman covered in wounds? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Today is the day I will not sit still and give in anymore. Today I rise. I am bruised, but I will get up and walk again. Today I rise. I don't care if you ignore my beauty. Today I rise. Through the alchemy of my darkest nights, I heal and thrive. Today I rise. Today I rise. I move through the world with confidence and grace. I open my eyes and I am ready to face my wholeness as a woman and my limitless capacities. I will walk my path with audacity. Today I rise. I reconnect with the many aspects of myself. I'm in awe of the reality I can create. I am a queen. I am a healer, a wise woman, a wild woman. I will rise and be. I am a rebel, I will wake up and fight. I am a mother and I am a child. I will no longer disguise my sadness and pain. I will no longer suffer and complain. I am black and I am white. There's no reason to hide. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I call upon Kali to kiss me alive. I transform my anger into power. No more heartache or strife. The world is missing what I am ready to give. My wisdom, my sweetness, my love, and my hunger for peace. I weep with the trees and the rivers and the earth in distress. I rise and shine and am ready to go on my quest. Today I rise without doubt or hesitation. Today I rise without excuses, without procrastination. Today I call upon my sisters to join a movement of resoluteness and concern. Today is my call to action. I will fulfill my mission without further distraction. Today is the day. Today I will start to offer the world the wisdom of my heart.